Like Dana is doing her homework. Grandma is skinny tirelessly.
I am medium height. I am slim. I am is about 10 years old. I am has got green eye. I am is wearing a fantastic small green letter flower seed. She is wearing a bright small purple letter shirt.
Hello, my name is Tinarium. I am medium height. I am slim. I am about 10 years old. I have got big black eyes. I have got short, brown, curly hair. I am wearing a lovely, big, blue and orange polyester striped t-shirt. I am wearing a fantastic short green cotton printed shorts. I am wearing a pretty enormous gray plastic printed necklace.
Hello, my name is Tinarium.
Hello, my name is Flor.
My world name is Tanoland.
My world name is Bad World.
My world is the biggest.
My world is the smallest.
In my world there are lots of amazing plants.
In my world there are animals stronger than your animals in your world.
My world is more colorful than your world.
In my world there are more water than your world.
In my world there are lots of different flowers than your world.
In my world there are seahorses. In my world there are colorful fish. In my world there are more jellyfish than your world.
Bye.
Bye.